New Orleans is known for its incredible food, but how easy is it to eat vegan in one of America's most famous food cities? In this video, I'm taking you with me as I eat my way through New Orleans, one delicious vegan meal at a time. First stop in New Orleans was Bread's on Oat. And if you're vegan, this place needs to be on your list. And if you're not vegan, it still needs to be on your list. The moment I walked in, I was greeted by fresh bread, pastries, cookies, and more vegan options than I knew what to do with. I started with a giant cinnamon roll. This thing was phenomenal, covered in icing and walnuts, and it's every bit as good as it looks, people. Then I grabbed almost every biscuit sandwich on the menu: plant-based sausage, melty cheese, a tofu scramble biscuit loaded with fresh vegetables. Everything was flavorful. Everything was hearty. For dinner, I stopped by Carmo. It's a multicultural and sustainable tropical restaurant in New Orleans with plenty of vegan options on the menu. I started with a fresh quinoa salad loaded with black beans, avocado corn, and crisp veggies. Then I went on to the daily vegetable curry served over rice with house-made roti. It was warm. It was comforting. It was packed with flavor. You know I couldn't leave New Orleans without finding me some vegan comfort food, so I made my way to Trilly Cheesesteaks, and let me tell you something. They understood the assignment, people. I ordered 2 different vegan cheesesteaks, a basket of loaded fries smothered in vegan cheese sauce, some crispy fried bites. The sandwiches were packed with flavor, loaded with plant-based meat, peppers, onions, and plenty of sauce. Everything was messy. Everything was indulgent. It's exactly the kind of meal you need when you're exploring a city all day. If you're craving vegan comfort food in New Orleans, Trilly Cheesesteak is definitely worth your time. When you're in New Orleans, you have to try some classic Creole cuisine. So I stopped by the Gumbo Shop in the French Quarter. Have mercy on me. What surprised me was that they actually had a dedicated list of vegan options. I ordered the white beans and rice along with the gumbo herbs, a traditional Louisiana gumbo made with a variety of greens and herbs. Both dishes were simple, comforting, and packed with that slow-cooked homemade flavor. Are you looking for a late-night food run in New Orleans? Dat Dog has you covered. What I love about this place is they don't just have one vegan option, they have several. I tried the vegan bratwurst loaded with toppings and a veggie dog piled high with fresh pico, onions, and house-made sauces. The flavors were bold, the toppings were generous, and every bite had the perfect mix of smoky, savory, and tangy. I had to save one of New Orleans' most iconic vegan spots for last: Sweet Soulfood. This place serves up all the comfort food you could want, cafeteria style, and you can mix and match your plate. You can customize your food. I loved it. I loaded up on mac and cheese, red beans, okra, collard greens, sweet potatoes, creamy corn chowder that was incredible and delicious, packed with flavor, layered with love. I finished things off with their bread pudding, rich, sweet, and the perfect ending to an amazing meal. If you're vegan, you gotta hit Sweet Soulfood in New Orleans. It's non-negotiable. Thank you, New Orleans. I will definitely be back. As always, if you're looking for easy and delicious plant-based recipes, grab my free recipe pack. The link is in the description below. And thanks for watching. I appreciate it. I got more plant-based travel and food content coming your way.